To MunroMotors.com. Here we have a 2014 Ford Mustang GT Brembo pack with Roush exhaust, cold air intake, super looking car. Oh my gosh, gotta love it. That's sterling gray, which is like the Eleanor gray of days gone by. It's got the wheel locks with it, all the little special accessories that came with it from new, all right there. Have a look in the seams. What an outstanding looking car. 2014, just 34K. It's got the dual exhaust out the back, which is upgraded to Roush exhaust, and it sounds amazing. It's got backup sensors for safety security. It's got beautiful Eagle GT F1 tires on it with the Brembo wheels and Brembo brakes. It also comes with Brembo suspension and stabilizer bars. It's got the nice side skirts on it right there. Kalahari, not Kalahari on a Ford, but the tan interior, beautiful. It's got keyless go, which this, believe it or not, is your key. That lock, unlock, and remote start, and it just is the size, less than the size of a credit card. You'll see it's got two other safeties, and there are two of those. There's your remote start right there, and keyless start. So there's no key, just touch it and go, and remote start right from that button right there. So what a great little system. It's got the Shaker 500 sound system that you see there. In the glove box we have the books. Have a look in the frames, just a beautiful car. And it's got factory nav as well. So I'll show you more about that. Love the two-tone doors, that's beautiful right there. And close that. So power convertible top, I'll show you how that goes up in a minute. Front wheel, no curb rash. Again, Eagle F1 tires. Beautiful Brembo brakes with the Brembo 6-piston calipers. Under the hood, 5-liter V8 engine producing 400 and, well, by the time you do this cold air intake and that exhaust, you could be up to 440. This is crazy amount of horsepower out of this 2014, and it sounds wicked. So it's clean as a pin. It's got the cross strut tower for support, and there's your BBK cold air intake. Wow, beautiful car. Let's close the hood so that we can just check out the front again. So there you have it, beautiful shape, great condition. I see no stone chips. Well, right when I say that, I found one right there. So there's this little chip, we'll touch that one up, but nothing to worry about. Really beautiful, look at that, gorgeous. Here's our other front wheel, no issues, beautiful shape. Brembo wheels, Brembo brakes, Goodyear Eagle F1 tires, and ditto for the rear here. Looking outstanding. What a car. And over here on the driver's door, you've got the Shaker 500 sound system, power windows, power locks, power mirrors up there. You've got auto lamps with fog lamps, nice, brushed aluminum along the steering wheel on this one. And here's the condition of the seat, just absolutely outstanding. You've got a power seat with power lumbar, and I showed you in the back seat already. So let's climb in and we'll just fire this one up. So this again is push button start, so away we go. Factory navigation, listen to that sound of that exhaust, that is wicked. Oh, love that. 34,450 kilometers only. We will close the door so we can see some other lights on there. You've got the gauges and the fuel settings and the settings to change your lighting. So you can go here and change my color and change the gauge color, change it up to blue. So set to blue, and then you can change the halo on that and change the color to white. Or you can go back and change it to green, okay? So you get the idea. You can change the ambient lighting, which is the lighting that goes on in here and in the doors there. You can change that to whatever color you'd like as well. So that's a pretty cool feature there. And then you've got your gauges, etc. So gauge mode up there, so you can have a few other gauges, and away you go, okay? So you've got cruise control down there, volume controls over here, Bluetooth for your phone right there. Here's your factory navigation with a full map. You've got destination, nav, phone, climate control. So your climate control is also set on here. So when we set this, and then we've got passenger side, so we can do that individually. And then you've got heated seats there as well. So you've got a little shifter down here so that when you put it in sport mode, you can actually shift this, and you'll see I'm shifting it right there, 1, 2, 3. So you can shift the transmission manually right from that little button there. Power trunk right there, traction control on and off, your dual cup holders in here, and then in here is your USB and your line in and power outlet right there. So all the features that you'll ever need, and a power convertible top. So we're just going to put that top up and show you how it works. Just takes a few seconds. And then there's 2 latches that we'll do right like this, one like that, and then this one over here like this, and fold those up, fold up our visors, put up the power windows, put up the back windows, and we're good to go. Right? All set. So there we have it. So let's get out and see what it looks like outside. Have a look in the door frames as I'm getting out. What a beauty. Wow. There it is from the front with those big fog lights on. That is a great look. Listen to that chug from the back, man. That is so cool. Side scoops. So a lot of extras on this car. There it is, folks. 2014 Mustang GT convertible, Brembo package, side scoops, unique colored interior, navigation, keyless entry, remote start, backup sensors. Wow, what a car. It's here and available at munromotors.com. Hey, come on down and have a look at this one for yourself. I'll look forward to seeing you real soon.